Good morning, children. We are reading chapter 7, that is the works we do. Today, in this class, we will discuss dignity of labor. Dignity of labor, all forms of occupation, jobs known as labor. They are maybe mental or intellectual. In manual labor, physical strength is used more like mason, carpenter, builder, sweeper, blacksmith, etc. Intellectual labor requires mental ability and educational qualifications like lawyer, doctor, engineer, teacher, pilot, scientist, etc. There is general notion that intellectual labor is more important than manual labor. Some people look down upon manual labor. They forget that respect lies in the quality and not in the type of work. All occupations required hard work, sincerity, mental alertness, and creativity. A watchman guards a colony carefully, and an astronaut travels and works in the spacecraft. Both are performing important and useful jobs. Children, here is a story. Once a man named Hari went to a saint and begged for God food. The saint asked, "What do you have in your house?" Hari replied, "I have a blanket that is only big enough to cover my body and a spread as a sheet. I also have a leather water bag." The saint told him to go home and bring both the items. Hari brought the items, and the saint asked the people present there, "Who will buy these?" One man said, "I will take them for 5 rupees." Another man offered 10 rupees. The saint took the money and gave him to Hari, who then bought food with 5 rupees and an axe with the other 5. The saint told Hari to cut wood with the axe, sell it, and meet him after 1 week. After 1 week, Hari earned 50 rupees. He was happy. The saint kept his hand and his soldier and said, "You look happy because labor has dignity, but begging brings shame." Dignity of labor means respect for all types of labor and not considering any job superior to other. The craftsmen of Kashmir are famous for embroidery on shawls, carving wood, and Gujarat for Kachi mirror work. It is the hard work, creativity, and quality that earns respect for these craftsmen. Do you know, children? Gandhi ji said manual work is not inferior to mental work. No job is greater than the other. Dignity can be achieved only with hard work. Gandhi ji preached dignity of labor in Sabarmati Ashram. The people living in the ashram were taught to clean the toilets and surrounding themselves. Every work is respectable, dignified, and important for the society. People doing manual labor are not inferior in any way. A dignified work becomes undignified only if it is done in wrong way or by unfair means. Many families have domestic help to take care of their household chores and children. It is important to talk politely with maids, servants, and respect them for their work. Sometimes children do not feel proud of the occupation of their parents. The son of a tailor may wish that his father were a doctor, but do we not require a tailor as much as we need a doctor? Hence, it is important to know that it is the hard work, devotion to duty, and pride in the quality of work of many people that make our life comfortable. Do you know? Honest living is respectable living. Here are the some picture of some professionals. Now children, your chapter is